Welcome to Kennard Self-Storage at Kirrawee, conveniently serving the residents and businesses of Sydney's southern suburbs. Located at 88 Bath Road, our Kirrawee Centre sets the standard of quality and service while providing outstanding value. We invite you to visit, inspect our centre, or you can browse online. We offer convenient and generous undercover loading areas, as well as security features such as computer-controlled access and comprehensive digital camera surveillance. Our spaces offer the ideal solution for all personal and business storage requirements, and all our customers enjoy the comfort of knowing we maintain our properties to the highest standards of cleanliness and quality. Kennard's Kirrawee also offers a range of specialist storage solutions, including our enterprise spaces, great for any business. They're offered with low entry cost and low risk. Customers have no leases, no bond, and no legal expenses. Our mini warehouses are up to 49 square metres in size. Our open and covered spaces for car, boat and RV storage, allowing you to keep your vehicle off the street and protected from damage. Kennards offers businesses the ideal alternative space accommodation, with goods handling equipment available, conference rooms to meet clients or staff, and our delivery concierge service to receive and send your goods. In our box shop, we offer a wide range of boxes and moving supplies to help you pack, move and store your goods. We also offer a 20% saving when you buy 10 or more boxes, and we buy back when you're finished with them. Our box shop is open to the public 7 days a week, so drop in and browse the shop. You can arrange your storage online or visit in person any day of the week. So when you need space, for whatever reason, keep it at Kennards, the people who care.